una see BABATOPE don't come again.
Make una see BABATOPE. Make una see BABATOPE. More than the mumu waiting saying get sense. Sometimes it's
Papa Chike.
Hello? BABATOPE? Where you dey? Where you dey now?
Wetin be where I dey? Where I dey?
For where? I wan come see you now.
Wetin happen? Take am easy na just dey shout where I dey, where I dey. You wan come see? Okay, I dey chocolate Ria.
For chocolate heart. Okay, wait for me, I dey come now. Yeah? I say wait for me, I dey come now.
I dey wait, I dey.
Okay, I dey come now. BABATOPE. BABATOPE. What happen now?
Papa Chike, wait, I hope you carry my money come. Because the way they do me all this, I no like am. When you dey call me for phone, at least na my money dey bring come. Just dey call me, I no like am. My money come, where my money?
I give you money now.
You go give me my money when?
Yeah, cool down.
I dey like wetin dey do me o.
You get what I want to do now. You get one girl wey dey like for me. You get na friends.
Girl dey die for you.
Friends, I want me to take you friends. You want to tell her. You take her everything. Tell her I go give you your money.
French girl.
Na French girl.
They do it, they die for you. Wetin you wan come out front for you?
I want you to tell me what I want to tell her. So if money come, I'll give you. So I'll give you extra.
Okay. See what you do. See, if you wan catch the girl well, just walk up to her. Do one like this. Once you don first break your eye for her, understand? Tell her say, baby, please slap me. Please slap me. That is it. Once you don tell her this one, the girl say well inside her body she don dey jolly already. See, the next thing you just see, she just walk up to you, come give you take call French kiss. She be talking na French girl. Wait na. Wait, she be talking na French girl.
French girl na.
You get the kiss they call French kiss. They will give you French kiss. Look, in case if she no even answer, you just close your eye. Tell am again, say please slap me.
Please
slap me.
Please.
That is it. The kiss could just come from nowhere. Just I kiss you. Otidaro, Agbe.
I go
she will kiss you.
I go tell 10 times.
It is called French kiss.
I will tell her, say, please slap me.
Please, just close your eyes and say, please slap me.
I don't want that.
Exactly. BABATOPE.
Don't worry.
You no get wahala. Come, but you know the first do something. Tell them make them bring something now. Make we take the.
Make I go do the come back now. I go do it.
Okay. Please slap me, no. Don't forget to.
Please slap me.
Oh, no, shit. My money. You get it for me.
My beautiful baby. Why no, mom? Please slap me.
Bonjour, Papa Chike.
Please slap me.
Quoi?
Slap me.
Vous voulez quoi?
Slap me.
Vraiment?
Slap me.
Ok.
Slap me.
You get what you want for?
Chinedu. So that's what BABATOPE me say this girl you slap me.
Hey, make una see BABATOPE don't come again.
Mama Chike. Chike! Mama Chike! Come.
What is it now?
Aye. Please take me to hospital. Aye.
What happened?
Aye. Please take me to hospital. Aye. Aye.
Oh yeah.
Aye.
Mama,
Aye.
We're there here. Gently. Now wow. My friend. As a matter of fact, I don't know. But as a matter of urgency, you need to take him to the hospital. Before he expires like a rotten garden. Hey, please help me. Thank you.
Sorry, Baba Chicken. Sorry, Sorry.
Unbelievable. So, you can't stop hearing. I've been looking for this hearing for 2 months now. I swear.
Are you serious?
Yes.
My friend, I just buy it from my friend for Balogun market.
See, it's better now. You see, as a matter of urgency, you are going to take me there now. It's very important because.
Mama Chike, take me to hospital now. Aye.
Sorry, we forget.
Now, woman thing, we don't forget. Wow. Sorry, Baba Chicken.
So you have to stop slippers.
Yes, Chicken.
Wait. Where are you getting your stuff from now?
I'm from everywhere.
See this glass, these slippers. Ooh, these slippers has been my dream for a very long time. So I'm glad this one again.
The place where I buy these slippers, the only two remain there. They rush the slippers. They rush
The shop will never open my door.
you go there. Maybe they go down tell them.
Mama Tope, you go carry me there. Yes.
I don't carry
Because
you go walk.
anyway is away.
Yeah.
You need to then if this glass finish, I will keep myself. Baba Chicken, if anybody come to look for me, tell them that I want to buy my top best type of slipper. Yeah? See, if I buy this slipper, I will not start. You are just watching me as if, no, me, I will catwalk.
You can't walk like.
I'll balance first.
Let me see. Then what? Okay now.
Then I'll not take a reverse.
Okay.
Please take me there.
My friend, me not all day. I don't get move. Let's go.
Mama Chike, what of me now?
What about you? If you two come to look for me, tell yourself that I've gone to buy a Matokpe's type of slippers. Onugo?
And you go like
Hey! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ooh! Oh! Ah!
Mama Chicken. Mama Tope. Mama Chicken. Where's my mommy? Where's Mama Chicken? I thought my mommy is there now.
Ah, Tope,
Eh?
your mommy and your Chike, they're the witch. They don't fly away.
No witch like how? What happened to you now?
Help me. I'm not well.
Help you like how? I don't.
Help me. Take me to hospital. Help me.
But Mama Chicken, you know I'm Tope. You know.
Please help me.
Okay, let me out. I will help you. Let me call you out. Mama Chicken, what have you been talking?
Make una see BABATOPE. Make una see BABATOPE. More than the mumu waiting saying get sense. Sometimes he says they make sense, and sometimes he says no, they make sense. Oh, BABATOPE. Oh, Mama Tope. Oh, Tope. Oh, Mama Chike. Oh, Ndubisi. Oh, Efemena. All of them
To enjoy more of these our OGUMKA videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.